Welcome back to the channel. Coming to you with more curtain and blind content, today we're focusing on the Venetian blind. I'm going to let you know the differences between the Venetian blind and the other blind types there are out there, how it's suited to certain environments and of course where they sit on the price spectrum. Let's get into some key points on Venetian blinds, and don't forget to subscribe. This blind consists of slim, flat, horizontal slats of either aluminium or wood suspended by cord or tape, which keep the slats spaced at regular intervals down the length of the window. Venetian blinds can be raised or lowered easily. They can also be tilted, which gives variable control over the level of privacy and the amount of light coming into the room. To give a bit of history to the Venetian blind, you may think that they originated in Venice, however that's not the case. The Venetian blind style stems all the way back to the Egyptian times, where they used the natural materials they had available to fashion blinds. Here's some photos of this blind type. We see the Venetian specified everywhere, from accommodation to healthcare to offices, and is one of the most versatile types out there. With its timeless look and the ability to control the light with the horizontal slats, this blind looks great whatever environment. Venetian blinds also come in a variety of materials and colours, meaning that no matter your interior look, these blinds easily fit into a scheme. Venetians can also be used within a contract environment, though faux wood has to be used should a wood look be required. With Venetians, the price can vary. With a simple metal option, the price point can be very cost effective. However, it can increase should solid wood be specified. These are a lovely minimal addition to a room and helps control light and privacy well, showing the higher price point is worth it. Thanks for watching this short explainer video on Venetian blinds. If you find it useful, be sure to like this video and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content coming your way.